Imagine seeing your favorite crypto token fall from grace in real time. One moment it's heralded as a rising star, and the next, it's battling for survival. Today, we're uncovering the dramatic saga of PiCoin's recent plunge and what that means for its future. Hey there, pioneers. Welcome back to TJ Crypto World Channel, the epicenter for the most in-depth and unfiltered crypto insights. Today we're diving into a critical moment for PiNetwork's native token, PiCoin. If you've been tracking the ups and downs of altcoins and waiting for the next big shift, you're in the right place. Stay with us until the end as we dissect the factors behind PiCoin's steep decline, discuss upcoming token unlocks, and examine whether a rebound is on the horizon. And if you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe to join our ever-growing community of crypto trailblazers. Picture this. A token once praised as a contender in the altcoin arena is now hovering around the 80-cent mark after a drastic fall. With over 105 million tokens about to hit the market and no major exchange backing its trade, investors are on edge. What's causing this chaos? Is it a temporary setback or the start of a long-term trend? Stay tuned as we break down every piece of this unfolding drama. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single detail. Today, we're peeling back the layers on PiCoin's current predicament. Once a beacon of hope for a robust, community-driven cryptocurrency, PiCoin is now grappling with severe market pressures. After a sharp decline, the token is lingering around the 80 cents level, sparking widespread concern among its loyal investors. The core of the issue? A combination of looming token unlocks and the absence of listings on major exchanges. Let's set the stage. For a while, PiCoin was celebrated as a promising asset, a contender that could rival other leading altcoins. However, recent market dynamics have taken a harsh turn. In the past week alone, PiCoin's value has plunged by nearly 30%, dropping to an unprecedented low of 77 cents in just 24 hours. Its market capitalization now sits at around $5.6 billion, a staggering 70% fall from its peak just last month. This rapid depreciation has sent shockwaves through the investor community. Crypto analyst BullStraders7 has issued a stern warning: PiCoin could sink further to 60 cents, a crucial support level that, if breached, might trigger even deeper corrections. This ominous forecast has fueled a wave of uncertainty among investors who were banking on a bullish recovery. The mixed opinions in the market only add to the tension. Some see this dip as a temporary setback, while others fear it might be the prelude to a more prolonged downturn. One of the key stresses on PiCoin's price is the impending surge in token supply. According to PiScan data, more than 105.96 million PiCoins, valued at approximately $85 million, are scheduled to unlock within the next 30 days. A particularly significant event is slated for April 3rd, when a single-day unlock of 6.8 million tokens is expected. Over the coming year, a staggering 1.6 billion PiCoins will be released into circulation. Such an influx is poised to exert additional selling pressure, potentially overwhelming demand and keeping prices under persistent downward pressure. Another major factor weighing on PiCoin is its conspicuous absence from major cryptocurrency exchanges, especially Binance, the world's largest digital asset exchange by trading volume. Despite overwhelming support from the Pi community, which saw 87.1% of participants in a community vote favoring a Binance listing, no official confirmation has materialized. This lack of exchange backing has led to panic selling among investors, as the absence of a platform like Binance casts doubts on PiCoin's market viability and growth prospects. So, what are the underlying issues that have caused Binance and other major exchanges to hold back? The answer lies in the structural challenges of the PiNetwork. Initially, PiCoin operated on a closed mainnet, meaning that transactions were confined to a controlled environment. This limited exposure prevented exchanges from fully evaluating the token's liquidity, usability, and overall market activity. Although PiNetwork opened its mainnet in February to address these issues, the token continues to struggle with market fundamentals. Beyond liquidity concerns, regulatory uncertainties further complicate PiCoin's outlook. Binance, along with other major players, adheres to strict compliance standards. They are cautious about listing tokens that lack clear regulatory approval or have ambiguous legal standings. In PiCoin's case, these regulatory ambiguities, combined with questions about its centralized governance, where decision-making is heavily influenced by its core team, raise additional red flags. For exchanges that prioritize decentralization and transparency, these factors are critical hurdles that Bitcoin must overcome before gaining broader acceptance. Yet, amid these challenges, there are glimmers of optimism. Some traders, like crypto veteran Coinvo, argue that the current price drop might represent a prime buying opportunity. He points to technical indicators, such as the Pi-RSI divergence, as evidence that the token is nearing a potential rebound. Additionally, the token's price seems to be finding some support within a Fibonacci zone, which could serve as a foundation for upward movement if market conditions improve. However, these positive signals are tempered by the looming risk of further token unlocks and the persistent issues around liquidity and regulatory clarity. So, where does this leave Bitcoin? In short, it's at a critical crossroads. On one hand, the massive token unlocks and the ongoing lack of major exchange support pose significant threats that could push the token further down. On the other hand, some technical indicators and market sentiment hint at the possibility of a rebound if PiNetwork can address its core issues. For now, the consensus among many experts is that Bitcoin's fate remains uncertain, a turning point that demands close attention from every investor in the crypto space. What's next for Bitcoin and the PiNetwork? The path forward will likely depend on how effectively the project can improve market liquidity and secure the regulatory approvals necessary for listings on prominent exchanges like Binance. Achieving these milestones could not only stabilize the token's price but also rekindle investor confidence. Until then, the market will continue to oscillate between fear and cautious optimism, with every token unlock and market move sending ripples through the community. If you're finding this analysis on Bitcoin's struggles insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe to TJ Crypto World channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe Bitcoin can rebound, or are these issues too deep-rooted for a recovery? Your opinions drive our community discussion and help us bring you even more detailed crypto analyses. Reflecting on the bigger picture in the fast-paced world of digital finance, moments like these are pivotal. Bitcoin's current slump isn't just a temporary dip, it's a wake-up call for the project and its supporters. The challenges it faces, from token unlock pressures to exchange listing hurdles, underscore a broader truth in the crypto market. Sustainable growth requires solid fundamentals, robust liquidity, and unwavering regulatory clarity. Without these pillars, even the most promising projects can falter. For investors, this is a critical time to re-evaluate strategies and remain informed. While the potential for recovery exists, it is intertwined with the risk of further decline if structural issues persist. As the market evolves, only those projects that can adapt and overcome these challenges will thrive. Bitcoin's journey is a vivid reminder that in the volatile crypto landscape, diligence and informed decision-making are paramount. Before we wrap up, if you appreciate this deep dive into the current state of Bitcoin and want to stay updated on its journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to TJ Crypto World channel. Your support is invaluable and helps us continue delivering the most insightful and timely updates in the world of crypto. Joining me on this detailed exploration of Bitcoin's recent struggles and the complex factors at play. I truly appreciate every pioneer who tunes in, and I hope this analysis has provided you with a clearer picture of where Bitcoin stands in today's turbulent market. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, be sure to check out our other content here on TJ Crypto World channel for more expert insights and breaking news from the crypto universe. Until next time, stay informed, stay vigilant, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in digital finance. This is TJ Crypto World channel signing off. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.